Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Engineers Competitive Training Academy. Today, I'll be discussing about the GK and GS one-liner questions, part 21. So please check my playlist. You'll find all the competitive examinations concerning material. So this is part 21. You can directly go through playlist where you will find up to part 20. So let us see what we have initially in our slide. The Ashtapradhan was the council of ministers during the reign of, that is, Shivaji. We knew that the Ashtapradhan, it was a council which was established by the king, that is Shivaji. The theory of classical music is discussed in, that is, Samaveda. Please remember, guys, whatever the theory that is concerning to the classical music, it has been discussed in Samaveda. We knew that Rig Veda, Samaveda, Yajurveda and Atharvana Veda, these are the four Vedas we have. But in this, the theory of classical music have been discussed in the Samaveda. Next we have, if you float on your back on water, your weight will be what? Like we knew that there are situations, if you float during the backside, then you will have the weight that is near about, you will have the zero weight, you don't need it to swim at all. This is one thing you have to remember. Now we have, a mirage is the result of refraction of light through air having very large temperature gradient. This is one thing you have to remember. These type of mirages will find on the roads, or you'll find this type of in the deserts. That is the result of refraction of light through air having very large temperature gradient. Now we have wearing of specs. That is, we knew that wearing of specs may be optional prior look into the microscope. If you see in the microscope, it is not mandatory to have the specs, because the microscope is itself an adjustable one. We can adjust the microscope to see the microorganisms. If a person cannot see the objects clearly that are nearer than 75 centimeters from his eyes, he is suffering from, that is, long sight. Whatever the objects he has got, the nearer to the, whatever the 75 centimeters nearer, so he cannot observe or he can't see the properly, that is due to the long sight. That is also known as hypermetropia. Now we have the sunspots are the dark patches on the surface of the sun resulting from a localized temperature to about 4000 degree Kelvin. This is one thing you have to remember, guys. Whatever the sunspots, there are dark patches on the surface of the sun resulting from a localized temperature to about 4000 degree Kelvin. This is very important, guys. So whatever the sunspots, they are in dark patches on the surface of the sun, which results that the temperature is near about 4000 degree Kelvin. As you can see to the right side, how exactly the dark patches looks like. Next we have the Mercator projection, refers to used for navigation charts, because any straight line on a Mercator projection map is a line of a constant true bearing that enables a navigator to plot a straight line course. This is one thing. We knew that though the earth is in a shape of globe, so after unfolding you will find this kind of projection, which is very helpful for him to draw the lines. That is very important. You can check my playlist and you can share it to your friends also, or you can join me on Defense ICT Telegram. If you have any queries, you can call me on 766730 If you want more papers of near about 800 plus question papers have been given in a playlist. This is the one thing you will find, different subjects have been given for different question papers also have been given. So next we have the water in a reservoir exerts the pressure in all directions. This is one thing you have to remember. Whatever the pressure we have, the pressure will exert in all the sides, in all the directions. Next we have the two pieces of gold and silver weighing 100 grams. Each are immersed in liquid. Both the pieces will have weigh the same if their volume are equal. This is one thing. If the gold and silver, which are the same 100 grams of weight, they are immersed in a liquid, then both pieces will weigh the same if their volume are equal. That volume depends also on the volume only. If the volume is same, then automatically the two pieces, whatever with the weight of 100 grams, automatically immerse each other with the same pressure. In a diesel engine, the high temperature needed to ignite the fuel is achieved by, that is, compressing air in the cylinder. This is one thing. Whatever a diesel engine, the high temperature needed to ignite the fuel is achieved by the compressing air in the cylinder. This is one thing you have to remember. So whatever the compressing in the air cylinder, so whatever the diesel engine, the high temperature needed to ignite the fuel is achieved by compressing the air in the cylinder. So these are the few things which are to be remembered. Whatever the fluid exerts pressure in all direction, this is one thing you have to go through all situations. Next we have the bell metal is an alloy of, we knew that the alloy is consisting of two metals, that is tin and copper. That is, we have the bell metal, which is also the mixture of alloy, that is copper and zinc is a, we have the bronze as well as brass. So copper and tin is a, that is brass, that is made of same also bell metal. Bronze is copper and tin. So here copper and tin is bronze and brass is copper and zinc. Next we have the Koyna hydroelectric power project, that is which is located on the river Koyna, that is in Maharashtra. We have the Murthy Devi award that is given annually for the literature field. Please remember, whatever the award that is concerning to literature, that is Murthy Devi award is given for the women in the case of literature field. The most populous city in the world is, that is, as you can see to the right side, how exactly the Tokyo is the one which is the most populous city. After this, Beijing is exist. The YMCA stands for Young Men's Christian Association, is the abbreviation of YMCA. In the next slide, as you can see, the length of the each stump in cricket is, that measures near about 28 inches, which is the measure of 71 centimeters of height. We knew that we have the 3 wickets as well as the stumps bails have been given with the 9 inches as the length. The glass is made up of sand and silicates. This is one thing you have to remember. Whatever the glass has been prepared, that has been prepared with the sand as well as silicates. The pure gold is softer than steel. Whatever the pure gold we have, that is softer than steel, is the one which we have to remember. The rubber is the juice of a kind of tree. That is, we knew that whatever we use the rubber, that is the juice of a kind of a tree. The term ashes is related to what? That is related to cricket. We knew that whatever the term we have, the ashes, that is used in the cricket. Genghis Khan belongs to which dynasty? He is related to the Mongol dynasty. The Genghis Khan belongs to the Mongol dynasty. The Battle of Vandivash was fought between, that is Muhammad Ghaznavi and Mahipal. This was one thing you have to remember, which was happened between the Muhammad Ghaznavi as well as Mahipal, that is Battle of Vandivash. The fundamental rights of Indian Constitution have been taken from the which place? That has been taken from the America. In the case of directive principles of state policy, that has been taken from Ireland. So you have to remember each and everything. The Battle of Talikota, which was marked the end of the rule of the Vijayanagara Empire. We knew that, as you can see to the right side, it was fought in 1565. The battle fought between the Vijayanagara Empire and the Islamic Sultanates of that. In that, the Vijayanagara Empire has got the end. So in the Battle of Talikota. Pathar Panchali, a film by Satyajit Roy. We knew that Satyajit Roy had made Pathar Panchali. So it was based on a novel, that is by Rabindranath Tagore. We knew that Rabindranath Tagore received the award, that is knighthood award, but it has rejected by him in 1919 after the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Now we have the last Nawab of Awadh, that is he was Wazid Ali Shah was the Nawab of Awadh. Maharaja Ranjit Singh was annexed Peshawar, Kashmir, Multan, except Bihar Satluj territory. Remember this, Maharaja Ranjit Singh, he was annexed, he was occupied Peshawar, Kashmir and Multan, but not Bihar Satluj territory. Now we have that region known as the rice bowl of India, the Krishna Godavari Delta, whatever the place is there, that place is known as the region, that is rice bowl of India. We know that the Mohenjo-daro has been called as the local name, that is Mound of the Dead. You can see to the right side how exactly the Mound of the Dead, that Mohenjo-daro looks like. Next we have the Brahmanas are the books that deals with the ritualism. This is one thing you have to remember. So this, whatever the Brahmanas books, they are concerning to what? That is concerning to the ritualism. The writs under the Article 32 of Indian Constitution can be issued by, that is Supreme Court. Please remember, whatever the writ we have, under the Article 32 of Indian Constitution. It has been issued by the Supreme Court. Those writs are, we knew that, mandamus, habeas corpus. So there are a tertiary, there are various writs. You can directly go through internet what exactly the writs are. The Indian Constitution is one type of quasi-federal constitution. That is, we have to remember, that is not even permanent, that is not even temporary also, it is flexible nature. So our constitution is a quasi-federal constitution. The person who created first cloned sheep was, that is, Ian Wilmot. As you can see, he is the guy who had created the first cloned sheep, that is named as the Dolly. So please remember, what is the name of the first cloned sheep? That is Dolly. So these are a few slides I had prepared, guys. I hope I am doing my best. I want you guys to call me on 7667302252 if you want 2100 PDF of GK and GS. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Have a great life.